Hello everyone. Now let's have a look what are we gonna do. You have to get the imprints of your hand and then you have to make the beak and then this part and your hen is ready. You have to make the legs as well and get the impressions, make the chicks behind the mother. Isn't it amazing? Now here you have to get the face the colors like this and then get the impressions again with the help of your hands. Then with the help of your fingers you need to make the flowers and get them beautifully arranged like this, and this is gonna look even more pretty. Now here again you have to get the imprints of your hand in this pattern and now just make it look like this to make a beautiful lovely swan. Isn't it amazing? Now get the imprints again, get the yellow imprints. Here you have to just get them beautifully made into this position. You have to make the spikes and all and then the ears, eyes made into this manner to make it look like this. And your giraffe is ready. Make the spots as well and just paste the leaves all around.